Hello, you guys, and welcome back to another Tatum's World. Okay, you guys, hello. Welcome back. Okay, you guys, today the girls are at the art studio. Yes, we have an art studio for the girls. Now, you guys, this content right here. Now, not all this, because a lot of this came with the teacher, with the school, with the classroom, and some of my life. But there's a doll that's by our generation. I think her name is like Annabelle, Anana, but she comes with, and her hair has black with pink streak in it, where she comes with an outfit where it's overalls got little slashes in it. It got paint on it. So cute with a super cute pink and white striped shirt. So this is what the girls doing today. They decided to show you how creative they are. Yes. So they decided to show you how they go to their art studio and they paint. They got some paintings right there on the wall behind them to show you some of the paintings they made with the help of their mommy. She have a water paint set there in front of her. She has some ruler, a pencil, some scissors, a something to measure stuff. She has some paint. She has some paper towels. You guys, I made some little paper towels for them. DIY, yes. So like I said, you guys, this is their art studio. So the girls are going to show you how they get creative. So like I said, you guys, they got a cute little jumper. That is a our generation outfit that came with the doll. That's not something that I made for this video. So it says, you see, they got some paintbrushes down here. They got the little roller paint handle. They got some swatches that the girls been working on the wall, doing different shades of colors, you guys. And then over here, we got the different color swatches. You know how you go to a real paint store and then you get to choose the paint you want and you look at the color swatches? There it is. Who you know? Okay, so they got some yellow paint, some blue, some red, some green. Like they got some gray, they got some black. So like I said, you guys, this is their art studio. It's so adorable. Super cute, right? They have a little recycle button down here. Oh, look like the girls got some crayons they're gonna recycle, okay? You know, you can recycle crayons and you can melt them and make bigger crayons. I know. And this is their puppy. Hi. If you didn't see the puppy the first time, there's our first video, I believe, was the pet clinic. So you guys, this is their puppy. I can't remember what we called this puppy, but he's so adorable, super cute, you guys. So it's a puppy. And like I said, oh, hi, puppy. So like I said, then you got Paisley over here. She has the same matching outfit. You got the outfit is so cute because it got little paint on it as if they've been painted and got paint all over them and everything, you guys. Super cute. So we got Paisley over here. She's getting ready to play with some paint. She's going to actually start mixing some paint up, trying to get some colors for Kinsley to do some colors. So Kinsley is over here. She's actually with the roller paint and she's doing some swatches on the wall. She's, they're trying to find the exact paint that they want because they love the art studio. They love getting in paint, playing with it, creating things, and just having a super good time, you guys. You guys, and make sure if you have not subscribed to my channel, thank you. Please subscribe to my channel. Join the club, you guys. And like I said, you guys, if you have already joined my channel, thank you for rocking with me. So like I said, we're going to continue with the video. We got the girls, they working super, super hard, but they having fun. You know, this one is time where you work hard, but you have fun. So like I said, you guys, they got all their little painted content. A lot of the content you got, like I say, some come from Our Generation Doll. Some I got from My Life Doll. Oh, look at the little puppy, super cute, right? Oh, the puppy want attention. Someone wants attention. Okay, you guys, and then some of the stuff content I got from the dollar store. With the page that you see, Paisley, she was working in trying to create other color. So okay, you guys, they decided to give the puppy some attention. Look at Paisley. Paisley truly loved these. Pat, she love a pet. Kinsley do too. So you got Paisley, she see a petting the puppy, and you got Kinsley, she's over here cleaning up. Paisley have already washed her hand and cleaned up at the sink. You guys, I made that sink out of a shoe box, some contact paper, and glue gun. Love it. So the girls, you gotta have a sink. How you gonna have an art studio and you don't have a sink to clean up after you get through painting, you guys? So like I said, you guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you come out next week. Remember, I post a video every week, every Monday. So come by next week and let's see what the girls get into next week. And you already know.